7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we want to address an issue that we're having on the homestead.
It's a big project.
It is a big project. Some people may think it's a small issue, but
Who cares? I don't care what they think. They don't live here.
okay, but it's a large issue to us because we have been talking about ruts in our driveway for quite some time, and we haven't had an opportunity to get to it. It is a big project because we've been trying to deal with other projects that takes a little bit more precedence, but
We gotta get it done before
it
starts raining again.
Yeah, we definitely have to get it
You
done.
gotta get it done before the end of the year for sure.
It's in the top 5 of our projects.
Top 3.
Top 3?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, it's up there. If you guys go back to one of our first videos, it was nice and smooth, and I never thought that it would look the way it looks now.
She didn't think about rain, snow.
Well, I didn't think it would have that effect. But we're going to take a quick walk because we need to look at all the things that we have to do to fix it. Also, our project that we did to try to stop the puddle.
Why you gotta tell them that? Ain't none of their business.
We made it their business.
We sure did, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Your idea to get a damn channel.
Don't blame that on me. It was your idea to do a channel. Don't. I was being
She
supportive.
is 7 Sigma. This is where the rut starts.
Oh, that's interesting
So
that you saw that.
You didn't know I was doing all this, did you? And here's another spot where it starts. So that's a vein. I'm gonna call these veins.
Veins.
That's a vein there.
Oh, yeah, huh?
But this is the main vein here.
Okay, where does it start?
Here. See it?
Yep, I do see it.
So we definitely got 2 major arteries that's
I see
jacking up
it.
the
Yeah,
driveway.
yeah.
So it starts here, trickles here. This is one of them.
Oh, I see.
And then it hits here.
Yep.
Boom.
And it just gets wider.
And we have another one coming from over there. See it? It's another vein. This is where they both meet up. So this vein and this vein, they meet up here. Boom. Starts major rut that way. Come on down, woman. We got a little side rut here. See this one?
Yeah, I see that.
That one starts from that same.
It's like a little tree branch.
Mm-hmm. So like little veins, little arteries. And then this guy comes and he meets up with this big guy.
Yeah.
So they link up, get a nice little joint right here. He breaks off and goes over there and meets up with that guy. See those 2?
Oh, yeah, I see
These 2
those
come
two.
right here. They meet right here and they take out this side. This guy's right here. He splits off and he goes and he meets that guy down there. They're family.
Okay.
I've been watching these fools. I've been studying. That guy and that guy, they meet up right here. Bloop. And this is your main rut on the right side.
Yeah,
that's your main rut on the left side.
Yep. And then we have one starting in the middle right here.
This is easy to fix. We'll just crown this in the middle. But I got to figure out how to stop these guys. Come on down, people. Come on down. Cliff had an excellent idea when he came and cut the trench to deal with this rut. If you put some kind of dirt or something here and curve this rut here, that'll run off here. Okay. Because the problem is it keeps going, and we'll show you when we get down there, because both of these meet up in the middle. So I got to figure out a way to kind of put a little dirt barricade, or I don't know. Hey, they got these things you can whatever. I need a thing that you can whatever to divert this water over here. And that will address this, so you won't have this continuing down. You get it? This will be gone if I can get it to divert that way.
So you're trying to put dirt on top of it?
Eventually we're going to come with rock and road base and all that stuff. I don't know which order. Billy was giving me some good game, so I'll figure that out. But eventually the driveway has to be like this, called a crown. So the edges will be lower than the top. So when the water will just run off to the sides, and it won't eat up the middle of our driveway.
Right. The reason why we're addressing this problem is because we don't have, what is it, 6-wheel? I mean,
4-wheel.
We don't have
a 6-wheel drive.
Meanwhile, the dog is pooping in the background.
Hey, here you go. Get a look at it. Here's what I think about your channel. F with all y'all talking about.
Oh, sorry about that. That was a little explicit. But anyway, we only have 4-wheel drive, so we don't have 6-wheel drive.
6-wheel drive. That's for tanks and stuff.
Not 6-wheel. We don't have 4-wheel drive. Sorry, we don't have 4-wheel drive. So we have to fix this because we're going uphill, and it makes it even more of a challenge going uphill.
We ain't even showed them nothing yet.
I know.
What we just showed you still is nothing. Come on down.
Okay, well, we'll keep going to show you the rest because this has no place to run off.
We need to get this over there.
How are you going to do that?
They got these little metal things that cut like a little trench, and they lay it diagonal, and the water will run in that little thing, and it'll run off to the side.
So we can roll over it? We can drive over it?
Because you kind of bury it in the ground a little bit just where it's level with the dirt.
Oh, okay.
I've seen it. I don't know if it works. I've been watching videos, but this left side is a problem.
This left side right here is a problem, and it just gets wider and wider.
If I fix that one on this right side, this would be gone already. So imagine this one not here.
Okay.
But since it's here, look how they meet up. So that one on this side and this one now meet up in the middle, and you got a third one that pops up.
Yeah.
Then this guy comes over and now he meets my left-hand side again.
Yep, and then that's bigger.
See how it gets deeper and deeper?
Yeah. Yep.
Uh-oh, her leg is broke. Got the Achilles problems.
I have Achilles issues, so I'm gonna walk slowly.
So all of this, if we address that up there where Cliff was talking about, this won't exist.
We have a long driveway
It's
to
a
get
lot.
up
It's
there.
400 feet.
Oh my goodness.
But come on down. It gets juicy down here.
I'm coming. I'm hop along Cassidy.
So these met up right here. And as you see, it's been running off so much that it start eating up the dirt away. And now you see rock.
It was so pretty before.
It'll get pretty again. This guy over here still running. Got a little smaller one starting to form, but whatever. He's starting to make a ditch, which is actually cool. But the problem is the ditch eventually turns back into the middle, see it?
Yeah.
And down here is where we got the biggest problem.
Yeah, this is just a hot mess.
Because both of those meet up down here. See how they both curve in?
Yep, I see it.
So now they're in the center of the driveway.
Yep.
And it's running off so bad that it ate up so much soil or dirt that you're getting down to the raw rock underneath.
Oh boy.
Now, if we can divert that this way, that would be cool too. But now they're in the middle. Look, and it's been running off so bad, now you're starting to find boulders underneath.
I know, you see boulders under there. Wow.
So now down here, we got 4 trenches, basically. 4 ruts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then come on down. Now you can make fun of me down here. Go on and clown me. I know you want to get it out your system.
I do.
It's all good. Go ahead. I can
It's
take
not
it.
you, it's both of us.
I can take it.
Because, I mean, you know, you don't know what you don't know, and you know after you know.
I can dish it and I can take it. So clown me. I bet you ain't proud of me about this. If you're talking about you proud of me about that.
I'm still proud of you because we tried. You
ain't
can
proud of me
always
about that.
try. We had a little project where we were trying to stop the puddle of mud and water. So we put gravel and tarp and really took our time. We were so proud of ourselves, thinking that we were doing such a great job. But yeah,
It all got washed away. Look
it
at
got
it.
washed away, and this is the aftermath.
That was a waste of a couple of $100.
And he always thinks in finances.
Always. That was about $200 down the drain.
So right now, all we have is a pile of sand, our gravel still left over, and
And some driveway fabric just hanging
Tarp.
around.
so this did nothing. Yeah.
And then as you can see,
All we have
Oh.
is sand. It's just
and
sand.
it's real thick. So this is some good sand material to make a sandbox. Some swings and stuff. It's real thick.
Not swings.
Yep. Very fine, very thick.
So anyway,
And they meet up right here, all 3 of them, and they just turn and they go down that way.
so these are our ruts.
We gotta stop it from coming in the middle and get it to the sides and run off some kind of way and stop coming dead down the middle.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
Before we had the ruts, when they actually created the driveway, it was nice and smooth. And over the course of several seasons, this is what we have. So we have to fix it. And obviously, it's going to be an ongoing maintenance issue, correct?
What I'm learning is once we get some, I don't know which order, so I'm gonna mess it up, but once we get some rock, smaller rock, some road base that has some fines in it that kind of helps lock it together, and then we get some thicker gravel on top of it and get it crowned, it won't be that bad. Then it's just really small maintenance.
Okay.
This is a repair, this is not maintenance.
Yeah, this is a repair. So once we repair it, we can just keep it up and keep the maintenance and just keep an eye on it so it doesn't get this bad. But we have to fix it before it get worse. And do you guys have this problem? Does anyone else have this problem, and what do you do?
Anybody got a 400-foot driveway that's at a ridiculous incline? We finally found a local source of material. Gravel, flies, dirt, road base, pretty cheap. And they're local and deliver, so we're gonna use them.
Well, great. I found out just like you guys found out. We're going to have gravel at some point on the whole driveway.
Once we get this fixed though. Might
That-
be road base more than gravel, but
Road base?
yeah, road base is kind of like a gravel.
Oh.
But I don't know. I'll figure it out. I don't know. I'm a rookie, I'm learning.
I'm looking forward to when we have gravel or whatever, what you call it?
No ruts.
That part. Looking forward to no ruts.
Walk backwards, work them calves out. Work that
Because-
Achilles out.
Every time we walk up it, it doesn't get any easier.
Yeah, it does.
Not for me. I have Achilles issues now, so I can't do it right now.
Yep.
I have to wait till my Achilles heals. Achilles heals. It's a good one.
Boom, boom.
You just enjoying the view?
Gotta figure this part out too.
What?
My origin I was showing you, where we started.
Oh.
Like how to address the water even coming down.
Well, I have a question. I know you said we're going to do gravel at some point. Are you planning on graveling all of this area? Because you started a little bit.
Yep.
And it's kind of like sporadic, so it's looking a little bald-headed
I really got
over there.
Get my hands on some road base. Cliff just shot a text, said he got some road base, reasonable price too. But yeah, we can do something like that. Bill was talking about some limestone type stuff too. So there's other options other than gravel, than big 3/4 gravel.
Okay.
You got different sizes. We might not want to go to stick
Yeah.
with all of this. Who knows?
And I hate to take it there a little bit further, but I'm always thinking about our circular driveway and the vision that we originally had. Just making sure it's cohesive with our driveway is what I'm saying. What I'm referring
you're talking
to.
about the aesthetics. You're doing the beautified woman thing.
I'm doing the beautified woman thing,
feel you,
as I always do.
I feel you. How about we get it fixed first?
Of course, but we still need to talk about both.
Whatever we put right here, whatever we decide to, once this is addressed and we put whatever here, we just put the rest,
Around the
just
circular
continue it
driveway.
over there. Whether that be road base, limestone, gravel, whatever in the hell.
Okay. Please help us. We need.
Please help us, damn. Any suggestions? We're going to be fine.
Why are you walking away? Come
that
back.
desperate. We just need some people, need some ideas. See, I just found it.
He's still talking about where it starts.
Sorry, the one on the right side actually starts right here. See it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Get this diverted that way, some kind of way. And that'll stop these two. See these two that broke off?
Yeah.
But once you stop it at the source, you're good. What happened down by the gate where you see all them rocks and all that starts up here.
We have to fix it at the head.
Yep, we have to kill it at the source.
Kill it at the source.
Chop his head off.
So anyway, help us. Give us some suggestions.
I'm going to edit out all of these help us.
Don't you do it.
I am gonna
No,
do
you
it.
bet not.
Yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to figure it out.
No, do not.
We're taking suggestions. We don't want your help. We want suggestions. We're not
Suggestions is
pity.
help.
We ain't no pity farm over here.
Well, it's not pity. Give us a lot of suggestions.
We ain't no victims. We ain't no press. We don't need no help. We just need suggestions and tips.
However he want to say it. Give
That's
us some
right.
suggestions. Okay?
Positivity. Yam spoosha.
Yeah, okay, y'all spoosha, but it's still okay. Anyway, we take suggestions and advice.
There you
no
go.
help.
No help.
But some suggestions and
Nobody need
advice.
no help. Don't need no help. Help buy this rock. I'm just joking. You want to help? Why don't you settle for about 50 tons worth of gravel? Other than that, we don't need no help. We need suggestions and tips.
This has been a thorn in our sides.
We'll get it handled like everything else, though.
Yeah, it's going to be handled.
I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be cool.
Yes.
It's going to be fun.
So get from behind me as you always are. I'm always having to get you in the camera because you're always behind me.
How about that?
I don't.
Let's just walk on. Before you close, what are you going to tell the people?
So before we close.
This is my blankie.
So before we close, I just want to say that we have a Discord group and we would love for you guys to join
Seven Sigma Off-Grid Discord group.
Give them the email.
Just shoot us an email and we'll send you an invite. Tell them what the group is.
The Seven Sigma Discord group is basically a group and a community of people who are homesteaders, who share a plethora of information. We learn from each other, and we have a lot of people who are expertise in all types of areas in homesteading, such as gardening, firearms, tools, machinery, solar, water, all kinds of stuff.
Livestock farming, all that good stuff.
And we have some people in there who they've just been sharing a plethora of knowledge. I've just been going in and reading a whole bunch. So shoot us an email.
We learned about wheat berries. The hell is wheat berries?
Wheat berries.
We found out about wheat berries, and that's some good stuff.
Yeah. And firearms too.
Oh, yeah. We know about that stuff already.
Well, you do.
I don't know about no wheat berries.
And knives and all kinds of stuff. So it's just a bunch of yummy, goody stuff
Good
in there.
information in there.
About a lot of good information in there. So if you are a homesteader or want to be a homesteader and you want to learn, or if you are a tradesman and a tradeswoman who have a lot of expertise who want to share information, we also invite you guys to come on in there and join us. And we're just a community who are just sharing a plethora of information. So give them the email.
Email is, we're not trying to be spam, is the name of the channel minus the hyphen in off-grid. So 7 Sigma off-grid, get rid of the hyphen. And that is at what? Gmail.
Gmail.com.
I'm supposed to say the .com. I'm supposed to say at Gmail.
Gmail.com.
Bye, people.
So shoot us an email. But thank you guys. Get in here. Thank you guys so much for joining us. And we will see you next time. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.